What's up everybody? Welcome back to our third video. Today we're going to teach you how to find the LIFEBLOOM rune for the Druid in World of Warcraft Classic Season of Discovery. This rune will be found in the Venture Company mines. However, it will take you at least 2 people to get it. Now when I first got this rune, I had a group of about 5 people. We all went through the mines together, and then when I got the rune, I realized that I hadn't been recording. So I gathered another group and I went back through it again just for you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is assemble a group. You really only need one other person, but it helps if you have others because you're going to be heading through the mines, and it's nice to have a big group so you can clear through the enemies fast. So get your group together and head to the Venture Company mines. If you're looking at the map, it will be the southern cave east of Thunderbluff. As you head through the entrance, at the first fork, you're going to want to take a left. You'll continue forward, clearing mobs in the process, until you come to another fork. It branches off in many different directions, so you'll want to pay attention, and you will take the second pathway on the right. This should take you up a gentle slope to a bridge. Go across the bridge and hug the wall to the left. There will be more mobs in here, so be ready to face them. You will continue up another gentle slope to another bridge. This one should have 2 minecarts resting on top. Continue across the bridge and be prepared to face another group of mobs. Then you will exit the cave to a grassy plateau. You know, I played this game since vanilla, November 2004, and I never knew about this area. Talk about a season of discovery. So anyways, hang a right after you exit the cave, past a small tent with an angry mob inside, and near the edge of the plateau, underneath a tree, you will find Adventurer's Remains. You sense a spirit long trapped within these remains, unable to reach its final rest. By combining your skills with another ally skilled in the healing arts, you could help the spirit pass beyond this realm. Click Begin the Ritual, and it will sort of act like a warlock summoning spell. This is where your second person comes in handy, because you will need them to click on the portal that you begin creating. This will send the spirit to the other realm and allow both of you to loot the Rune of Life. Right-click on the rune, and voila, you have LIFEBLOOM, which can be attached to your legs, which you know makes me happy because I can keep spamming my wrath. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, and if you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. Or if you found this video helpful and just want to say thanks, you can do that too. This is MANBEARCOW signing out, saying thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.